The speed of light is actually terrifyingly slow. You heard that right. The speed of light, something we often treat as the ultimate symbol of speed and power, is in truth terrifyingly slow when placed against the scale of the universe. It sounds counterintuitive, almost insulting to common sense, but the deeper we look into the cosmos, the more this brutal truth becomes undeniable. Light is not nearly as fast as we imagine. It is only fast inside the tiny neighborhood we call home, but it becomes pitifully sluggish when stretching across the infinite landscape of space. Here on Earth, the speed of light feels mythic. In just a single second, it can travel around the planet 7.5 times. Nothing humans have ever built, no rocket, no particle beam, no propulsion system, even comes close. When Einstein wrote his theory of relativity, he essentially carved the speed of light into the foundation of reality, treating it as a sacred boundary, the constant that tells space and time how to behave. But this idea crumbles the moment we expand our vision beyond the solar system. Out in the vastness of the universe, where distances are measured not in kilometers or astronomical units, but in light years, thousands of light years, millions of light years, and billions of light years, the speed of light becomes unimaginably slow. Slow in a way that makes communication, travel, and even awareness between civilizations almost impossible. Light is history, not the present. The sunlight that touches your skin is not now. It is 8 minutes old. Whatever happened on the sun during those last 8 minutes is completely unknown to us. The sun could vanish at this very instant, and Earth would drift in peaceful ignorance for 8 more minutes before reality caught up. And that is only a distance of 150 million kilometers, a trivial speck compared to the cosmic scale. When you look at the Andromeda Galaxy through a telescope, you are not seeing it as it is today. You're seeing light that began its journey 2.5 million years ago, roughly when early humans were shaping the first stone tools. The night sky is not a live broadcast. It is a museum of ancient light, a vast library of frozen moments scattered across the heavens. Every star you see is a postcard from the past. Every nebula is a fossilized memory. The farther we look, the older the universe appears. If Earth vanished, the universe wouldn't even know. Imagine a catastrophe wipes out all life on Earth tomorrow. Instantly, completely, permanently. The event would not echo across the universe. The cosmos would remain unaware for an almost inconceivably long time. Humanity's earliest radio signals, our first technological footprint, have traveled only about 100 light years in every direction. Meanwhile, the Milky Way galaxy spans 100,000 light years across, which means humanity has not reached even 0.1% of our own galaxy with any detectable signal. More than 99.9% of the Milky Way has no idea we exist. On the scale of the universe, Earth is still silent. If intelligent life is abundant, if civilizations fill the galaxy like glowing embers, they still cannot detect us. Not because we are insignificant, but because our light has not arrived. Every civilization is an island in a cosmic ocean. Picture the universe as an infinite ocean, and every civilization as a lonely island separated by water that is too vast for sound to cross. Even if two islands are relatively close, even if both are alive, active, and intelligent, their signals disperse too slowly to bridge the distance. A civilization located 100 million light years away would look at Earth and see dinosaurs. They would not see humanity. They would not see cities. They would not see satellites, radio waves, or any trace of modern technology. To almost the entire observable universe, humanity has not arrived yet. We exist only in a tiny bubble of space-time, a faint glow that has barely begun to expand.
I wonder what they want with us.
If aliens tried to find us, they would fail. Imagine an advanced civilization pointing their most powerful telescopes toward Earth. Suppose they detect our planet and decide to visit. They see oceans, continents, and what appears to be an active biosphere. There is a fatal problem. They are not seeing Earth as it is today. If they are 10,000 light-years away, they see humans in the Stone Age. 100,000 light-years away, they see a lifeless Earth before our species existed. 500 million light-years away, they see only primordial oceans and microbial life. By the time they arrive, the Earth they saw would be long gone, not destroyed, simply moved. The solar system drifts through the Milky Way at 220 kilometers per second. The galaxy itself races through space at nearly 600 kilometers per second, pulled by gravity toward massive cosmic structures. The Earth is not stationary. Nothing in the universe is. If aliens travel to Earth based on what they see, they will arrive at an empty patch of space, a missing address in an ever-moving universe. And the speed of light is not a bridge, it is a prison wall. For centuries, we imagined light as the connecting thread of the cosmos, a messenger that ties stars and civilizations together. In reality, the speed of light functions more like
Velocity
a wall,
measurements
a
confirm
cold,
the expansion
silent,
is
impenetrable
accelerating.
wall separating
Redshift
every pocket
indicates
of intelligence
extreme
in the
distance.
universe. Even if countless civilizations flourish simultaneously, most will never be aware of each other. Their light cannot travel fast enough. Their messages cannot cross the abyss. Two civilizations might coexist, shine, thrive, and perish entirely without ever knowing the other was there. They could be neighbors by cosmic standards, yet strangers for eternity. The universe becomes even more cruel. Expansion with acceleration. As if the speed of light were not limiting enough, the universe introduces an even harsher rule: cosmic expansion, and worse, accelerating expansion. The farther a galaxy is from us, the faster it appears to move away. Some regions of the universe recede at speeds greater than the speed of light, not because they violate physics, but because space itself is stretching. This means there are galaxies whose light will never reach us, not in a quadrillion years. There are civilizations we will never detect, even if they are bright, loud, and technologically advanced. Their entire existence is hidden behind a horizon we cannot cross. The universe may be full of life, but we are trapped in isolated bubbles of reality, forever out of reach. No civilization can outrun the cosmic limit. Even the most advanced civilization imaginable, one that harnesses the energy of stars or even galaxies, could never surpass the speed of light. As an object accelerates closer to that limit, the energy required to increase its speed approaches infinity. Infinity is a price that no species, no technology, no star, no black hole can afford. Every spaceship, every signal, every grain of matter is locked beneath this universal speed limit. It is not a technological barrier. It is a law of nature. The Fermi paradox and the silence of the cosmos. Scientists often ask, if the universe is so large and so old, where is everyone? One chilling answer is this: they're there. We just can't reach each other. We never could. We never will. The silence of the universe is not proof of emptiness. It is proof of imprisonment.
I wonder what
Every
they want with
civilization is born inside a cosmic cage defined by the speed of light and the expansion of space itself. Some may rise, some may fall, some may burn bright for millions of years, yet almost none will ever meet. Humanity is not alone. Humanity is isolated. There is a difference, and it is devastating. The speed of light is not a gift. It is not a doorway to the stars. It is the lock on that doorway. The speed of light is the cosmic chain that binds every civilization in solitude, enforcing a silence that lasts as long as the universe endures. What do you think about this harsh cosmic rule? Feel free to share your thoughts below.